The detour. The detour.
Jimmy here, Ellijay, Georgia. I'm ready to start my through hike. I just realized here at River Street Tavern they have dollar bills taped to the ceiling. It's crazy. Everything's ready. In a couple of days I'm going to start my through hike. I'll be stepping foot on the Appalachian Trail on the 20th. Yeah, here we go. There goes my daughter in the truck. It's Sunday morning. I'm here in North Georgia, Ellijay. I'll be heading up to Amicalola Falls on Monday. Start my through hike. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Taking a Sunday walk down Ellijay. See if I can find anybody that knows anything about 8C through hiking or what my best next steps are. Take a little walk. So Jimmy here. I'm at Canterbury in Ellijay, Georgia, where I just met up with a guy named Sam who's going to give me a ride in the morning to Amicalola Falls. Everybody in this town's been really helpful in helping me find this person who's already done the AT and has no problem helping me. This is turning out to be a great day, so I'm going to sit down, have a beer, something to eat, and out. So it's been a hell of a day here in Ellijay, Georgia. I met up with a girl named Robin who owns this store, Live the Trail. Told me about a guy named Sam who had hiked the Appalachian Trail and usually hangs out in the coffee shop over here. So I took a walk down to the coffee shop and he wasn't there, but they let me know that he works at the Canterbury. So after going to the coffee shop here, I took a little trip down to the Canterbury where I met some lovely ladies who told me that he wasn't there, but he would probably be working down at Lowe's. They gave me his phone number, and as I was dialing his number, he walked into the place, introduced himself. I introduced myself. I told him I needed a ride to the falls, and he was more than happy to do that favor for me. I love this town. These people are nice, very helpful. I haven't even got on the trail yet, and this is a hell of an experience. More to come, more to come. Jimmy out.